one very difficult game to play. I said before, this is the biggest derby in Southeast Asia, and players, I try actually to calm them down. I told them that this is only match for 3 points, but it's very difficult still. You see that everybody are nervous, everybody make lots of basic technical mistakes. This is because of the pressure from the game. But at the end, most important is 3 points. Game was not nice to watch, but all tough, important matches are like that. To give respect to Persija also, I think that both teams tactically play well. Defensively, without too much risk, there was not much space. That's the reason why all goals are scored after set pieces. So, not many chances, but this is when it's important match. It's always like this. Nobody wants to risk much. And again, it will be much better atmosphere if fans were there.
Buat saya pertandingan sore ini sangat sulit ya. Saya merasa kesulitan di babak pertama. Saya bilang kalau ya bagus juga Persija, tim bagus juga. Di babak pertama saya merasa kesulitan dan saya senang di pertandingan ini bisa meraih kemenangan. Ini modal bagus kita buat tetap ada di atas. Semoga kedepannya kita menjadi tetap lebih baik, tetap di atas dan bisa masuk Champions Series dan insya Allah bisa menjadi juara kedepannya. Amin. Ya buat saya merasa sebenarnya pas tadi saya turun dari Geraha sebenarnya sempat kaget ya melihatnya karena saya turun tapi saya jalan kaki ke Geraha. Luar biasa Bobotoh ada semuanya. Saya sangat senang juga disambut dengan baik di sini dan ini menjadi kebahagiaan buat saya juga, support dari Bobotoh juga yang telah mendukung saya terus-menerus dan mendoakan saya. Semoga saya bisa terus berkontribusi buat Persib ke depannya. Kalau buat supporter, ya ini kemenangan khususnya ya kita sebagai tim, saya mewakili tim, ini kemenangan buat Bobotoh yang tidak bisa hadir datang ke sini. Tadinya saya juga berharap pengennya ada supporter ya, tapi apa yang terjadi? Ya tapi kita syukuri di pertandingan hari ini kita bisa meraih kemenangan walaupun tanpa supporter.
We will play at night, we will train at night also. Because if you give training afternoon, it's proven that players cannot go 100%. So I will give them first to have a light meal, to have water, sweets, some shakes or whatever, and then after this, basically 2-3 hours after that, they can go 100%. So they will train normally during the night.
Yeah, okay. Congratulations, Persib Bandung for 3 points. I think it was not necessary to lose today the game because I think without our own mistakes, they didn't have really chances. Also, we defend well. This was okay. And we had the possibility also with some situations, maybe better finishing, better running way also, maybe to draw also here, because after 2-1 we had some situations also we could do this better. In the end we are very disappointed because I think Persib Bandung played also not the best game, and it was, for me, was normally a draw game. So both teams, they defend well, but when you make this kind of mistakes, it's difficult to take something away in a derby. And that's why we go back to Jakarta with no point. The possibility was there, but in the end, it's not enough. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat sore teman-teman media semua. Ya, saya mengucapkan selamat kepada Persib Bandung mendapatkan 3 poin di sore hari ini. Saya juga meminta maaf kepada para supporter, yaitu di Jackmania. Kita tidak bisa membawa poin ke Jakarta, poin yang sangat penting. Ya, kita sangat kecewa dengan hasil sore hari ini. Ini bukan yang hasil kita inginkan tentunya. Tentu kita masih harus berjuang untuk menggapai posisi aman dari zona degradasi. Karena di bawah terus mendesak kita yang terus merangkak naik, dan kita juga harus berjuang dari aman dari zona degradasi. Terima kasih.
Yeah, they are eating a little bit later. No problem. I mean, everybody is happy that Ramadan is coming now, and yeah, we train also a little bit later because the guys, they can eat 6 o'clock something, and then the training session is 7. We found already training pitches in Jakarta because in our training pitch we don't have lights, and yeah, I think normally the guys, they know this already for years. It's not a big change, so we have to find a good way that we put the training session also in a good time, and then I think everything will be normal.
Oke, terima kasih. Mengenai teror dari belakang gawang pada pertandingan sore hari ini, derby tetaplah derby, tanpa penonton atau dengan penonton. Tapi derby kali ini itu berbeda. Berbedanya tidak ada teror. Tadi kita datang ke stadion dengan aman. Sampai di sini juga tidak ada tekanan dari supporter. Sejujurnya, saya merindukan itu. Saya merindukan adanya supporter Persib Bandung di dalam stadion. Tapi apa boleh buat, yang saat ini sedang terkena sanksi Covid, ya. Maka mereka harus menjalankan pertandingan tanpa ada supporter. Dan untuk soal Rezaldi, tentu saya senang melihat dia sekarang mendapat tempat di Persib Bandung. Karena saya melihat ada, ya, setelah pasca cedera dia belum kembali ke performanya, dan sekarang dia kembali ke top performanya di Persib Bandung. Siapapun bisa pindah kemanapun tim. Kita nggak pernah tahu apakah saya nanti pindah kemana atau kalau Rico pindah kemana. Pasti ketika melawan Persija, tentu ini tentang masalah profesionalisme, bukan tentang cinta. Kadang cinta harus memberikan jalan kepada profesionalisme. Terima kasih.